Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be doing a quick how-to tutorial step-by-step of setting up and applying the Supacolor headwear screen print transfers from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Now, the hats that we'll be applying them on are the Auto Cap 5 panel mid-profile baseball cap from Auto Wholesale. We're using the Giraffe Auto Hat heat press that we purchased from Amazon. This was a great deal, and we have a whole review on this product if you want to check it out. It is very important to make sure that you properly align the hat on the press to make sure you are heating the correct area and that you do not clamp down on the brim of the hat. As you can see in the video right now, I'm currently just preheating the cap before we apply the transfer to the hat. Like I said before, we're using the headwear screen print transfer from Heat Transfer Warehouse. This one is 2.5 by 2.5 inches, which is honestly the perfect size for these caps. We are going to go ahead and get this transfer placed and positioned. We are centering the transfer off the top button of the hat and also using our best eye judgment. Sometimes these are easy to place, but can be tricky depending on the size and shape of your transfer. We're also placing 2 pieces of heat transfer tape onto the transfer to make sure it stays in position while we do the heat press. With the tape in place, we grab our Teflon sheet and place it over the cap to protect the hat. We are pressing at a recommended settings at 300 degrees for 15 seconds. Once the press is complete, it is important to peel quickly while it's still hot. These are hot peels, and the one thing I'm learning from doing these is you just have to go for it. It's a little nerve-wracking, pretty much just yanking it off, but I've learned from doing these that if you don't do that, you risk messing up the transfer and possibly ruin your product, which ultimately costs you some money. And just for safe measures and to make sure it applied well, I do a secondary press for about 5 to 10 seconds with a Teflon sheet to make sure the transfer is applied everywhere and there's no parts of the transfer that's sticking up. Once it's complete, you're going to go ahead and pull the cap off and take a look at the end results. Very happy with how these transfers come out. It's quick, easy, and actually fairly cheap to make a premium looking hat at a decent price. Customers will love it, and you'll love how easy it is to apply these. If you guys enjoyed this quick, fast, and easy tutorial, we'd appreciate it if you could leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to our channel. We just started this back in March with our Rokoma embroidery machine and also got the heat press, and we are learning as we go, but we're very excited with the progress that we're making and the amount of orders that we are taking. It is cool to find out different ways that you can make products, from doing embroidery to making patches to doing the heat transfers. There's a lot of different ways that you can make customers happy to show off their business, their brand, or just to make some personal hats for them. These Supacolor heat transfers have been very dependable and honestly have not used much other transfers. We've tried a few other ones out, but at the end of the day, the Supacolor ones have been the best ones that we have tried out so far. They're fairly easy to use, reasonably priced, and they get to your house within a couple days. Granted, we do live in California, so we are near where they ship from, but from the reviews I've read, these transfers get to wherever you order pretty quick. It's important to make sure that the logo that you upload is the highest quality possible to make sure it comes out clear with no pixels or anything like that showing. You will run into people that will send you their logos, and it's potentially not going to be high enough quality for the transfers to come out correctly. So you want to make sure that you can get the highest quality image or the source file to upload to Heat Transfer Warehouse. But that's going to do it for this video. We appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments. We'd love to have a discussion. If you have any tips or tricks for us, let us know as well. But with that being said, we hope you guys have a fantastic day, evening, night, wherever you're at. We appreciate you, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.